If you want to edit units, cores, and corridors directly, you'll need to enter Edit Layout mode. To do that, select a residential building and click the Edit Layout option in the dark gray floating menu bar. Once you do, the panel on the right will disappear, and now you can directly click on units, cores, and corridors to make changes. You'll also notice that the floating menu now shows new options: Edit Profile and Exit Edit Layout. Let's start by looking at Edit Profile. When you click it, the building outline becomes editable. You'll see the boundary and corner points, which you can drag to reshape the building. Units inside the building will automatically reconfigure to fit the new shape. But keep in mind, if the units are set as typical or were converted to editable units, they won't respond to changes in the building profile. To edit a unit, just click on any specific unit inside the building. Once selected, you'll see a floating menu with several options. Change the use or type of the unit. Merge 2 or more units. Split a unit into smaller sections. Turn the balcony on or off. Delete the unit if you no longer need it. You can also simply drag and move a unit to switch its position with another. If you need more control over a unit shape, you can convert it into an editable unit. Just click on Editable Unit from the floating menu. Once it's editable, you can do a few extra things. Drag the corner points or boundaries to change the unit shape. Add or remove points using the Add and Remove tools. Use the Link feature to group units together. Linked units can move, be duplicated, and be deleted together. And if needed, you can unlink them at any time. You'll still have access to the same menu options as regular units, like Merge, Split, Toggle Balcony, or Delete. One thing to remember, editable units gives you more flexibility, but they can't be dragged or swap positions with regular units. Now, let's look at core elements like stairs and elevators. To move or rotate a core element, just click on it. A floating menu will appear, where you can use the All Floors drop-down to apply that core to multiple floors, duplicate the element, delete it, or adjust its size as well. To edit corridors, just click on the corridor itself and adjust the layout by editing its boundary lines. You can also add new cores or rooms using the Add menu located at the center bottom of the screen. When you open it, you'll see 2 tabs, Core and Room Area. Under Core, you'll find options such as Elevator, Stair, Open Stair, Trash Chute, Core Area, and Shaft. Just click on any of them, and the element will follow your cursor so you can place it exactly where you want. Under Room Area, you can choose a functionality and draw a boundary on the layout where you want it to be placed. Once you draw the area, the space will be added to your building. If you'd like to learn more about unit configurations, check out our typical unit setup video.